Hey kids, ready for an enchanting adventure? Join our brave red dragon, wise blue dragon, and swift green dragon as they protect the beauty of the Twilight Pool. One evening, the dragons heard about the Twilight Pool, a magical place where the colors of the sunset are reflected forever in its waters. The wise blue dragon explained that the pool's glow was fading, and if its magic disappeared, it would lose its beautiful sunset forever. The dragons set off at dusk, flying through the sky as the horizon glowed with warm colors of orange, pink, and purple. Finally, they found the Twilight Pool, nestled in a quiet valley, its water shimmering faintly with the last light of the day. The brave red dragon stepped closer and saw that the pool reflected not just the sunset, but also their emotions and dreams. The swift green dragon noticed that the pool was surrounded by wilting flowers, and the magic of the sunset needed to be reignited. Together, the dragons shared their warm, colorful flames, each adding a spark of their heart to the pool's reflection. The wise blue dragon reminded them that beauty and magic come from shared hopes and dreams, just like their bond as friends. With the Twilight Pool's magic restored, the dragons flew back, carrying the joy of its colors in their hearts. Thanks for joining us, kids. If you loved our sunset adventure, remember to like, share, and comment. See you in the next story.